FTTH is a government-owned agency. That's why we have two very different aspects in our strategy, which are first, ensure that public services are efficient and great toward the whole territory of New Caledonia, but we are also kind of enterprise business approach, which leads us to offer efficient services for our customers as well. We have a few leading big programs going on. For example, from my point of view, my favorite one is FTTH, which consists in deploying fiber to the home, to every customers. We have a planning with 5 years to deploy. Each and every customers will be on fiber to the home. Our strategy was to do it without any further cost for our customers. Basically, if you have any service from OPT, you can be plugged and connected via fiber for no more money than you spend anyway. As far as we know, from now on, we have maybe 8,000 people connected to FTTH. They don't stop using mobile broadband because use is very different. FTTH is more resilient and more comfortable once you have it at home than mobile broadband, which can go through different variations on quality of service, because when you have a lot of people using 4G around you, then you have less bandwidth available for you, so the use is very different, and people they need both mobile or fixed broadband as well. The main challenges in connecting the different islands from the archipelago is ecological one. I mean, to ensure that our beautiful reef barrier, for example, stays intact. Doing so, that's the main challenge.